Hey, what's up? This is Anthony from Unlimited IRL. I'm here to show you how to assemble the backpack mount for Starlink Mini. Let's get right into it.
In the box, you'll see the backpack mount, spreader bar, and cable kit, which includes power and Ethernet. To attach the backpack mount, open the side panels. Unfold the top strap and push it through the opening on the handle of the backpack. Attach the top strap to the side panels with the Velcro straps. Make sure to mount securely. Now, get your spreader bar. If you're using a TVU bag, push it through the opening on the back of the bag. If not, the spreader bar can be placed across the face of the bag. Now wrap it around the side panels and secure the Velcro. Next, get your cable kit and plug it in the Starlink. With the cables facing left, open the hatch and the cable bypass. Insert the Starlink and fasten the Velcro. If you're using a TVU, open the side vent on the bag and pass the cables through. Plug the Starlink Ethernet into the encoder and the Starlink power into the DTAP power. If you are using power without a DTAP, a USB-C adapter is provided. If you're using the mount without a TVU, you only need to connect power.
And just like that, you're ready to go. Now that your backpack's ready, make sure you have a Starlink account. Log in, connect your dish, and you're live. Looking forward to seeing what you create.